Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Lithex, CEO and founder of Lithex Productions, where I've worked with tons of studios in game design, as well as started on production of my own game called Mage Guild The Beginning, which you can actually see here on my desktop background. It's kind of a little glimpse of it there. Um, I have been wanting to start this YouTube channel for quite a while now, and I really hope that you guys will love the ideas that I've come up with as well. Hello, everyone. As you heard from my intro thing, whatever you want to call it, my name is Lithex, and I've decided to start out my YouTube channel with an awesome series where I build a game that is going to be completely driven by you guys. So you guys will determine everything that's going to happen in the game from beginning to end, down to the theme, what characters, and stuff like that. And I'm just going to make it, and we're basically going to create a game that everyone has kind of come together and just thrown in some ideas into this big mixing pot, and we're just going to see what comes out of it. And I'm going to show you how I do it along the way as well, and we'll get to each little point and show you guys the progress of your decisions and how it molds the game into what it's become. So I'm sure you guys are wondering, how are you going to let me know? How are we going to talk to each other about what we're going to do next? That's a great question. So actually, in the comments below at the end of each video, we'll decide what we're going to be working on next. And from there, you guys can comment and vote what you think should be happening next based on whatever the theme is that we decided. So to kick things off, I do actually need to go on ahead and create the project. I haven't even done that yet. So you guys can follow me all the way from the beginning. And if you catch me, looking off this way, I have two monitors here. So this one here is actually from at this angle to me versus this one where the camera is. But so we're going to go on ahead and create a new project. I'm using 2019.3.7 F1. You don't have to use the same project as me if you're trying to follow along and add to your own games. But I don't really want to get into all of it, but best practices, or just to be safe, I should say, you should just go on ahead and use the same one. We don't know whether it's going to be 2D or 3D yet, but this can be changed from within inside the project, so it does not matter. We're not going to use these because these come with a bunch of extra packages that we don't want in there. We'll add in anything that we need as we go because we don't even know what all we're going to need in there yet, and we don't need a massive project for no reason. So let's just name this for now. Oops. Let's just name this. What do we say? How about awesome fan game? There we go. We can always change that later. Make sure to choose wherever you want to save it. Now, while this is loading up, I do want to mention that my Unity is going to look a little bit different from your guys's if you are going to be following along and kind of learning off of what I'm doing as well. And I wouldn't say to do exactly what I'm doing. I encourage you to create your own project and just kind of implement some of the things that you see or may have learned into your own projects and share those with us. Get creative, challenge yourself the same way that I'm challenging myself to, get all these random mixing pot ideas from you guys. Challenge yourselves to make your own game and, try and implement some of these things in there as well. That would be awesome. And I'd love to see what you guys came up with as well. If you are developers, if you're not developers, that's completely fine. We'll just make something great and, see what comes out of it. So like I said, my Unity is going to look a little bit different. And it's just because I have arranged all my stuff over here. Normally it looks something along, something along those lines anyway, but I actually Don't like mine like that. I would prefer all my stuff to be here on one side. So other than that, though, everything is pretty much the exact same. So we do still need a theme. We can't actually do anything else from here. So this is where I need you guys to come in and don't be shy. Speak up. Hit it in the comments. Make sure to hit the subscribe button too and ring that little bell because that'll let you know when I do upload the video so you can be the first to get in there to cast your votes for what we're doing next. And if you can't make it and watch every video, that's completely fine. I'll have all my links to my social media down below, and I'll also be posting in there for you guys to sort of follow along and vote there as well. And I'll be looking everywhere. I'll read all the comments, and I try to respond to pretty much everything I can. So yeah, let's figure out a theme, and it could be anything. You don't have to write a full game design document or anything like that. It could just be something simple. Maybe it's aliens that just want a hug, or maybe I don't know, it's ants that get really angry one day and want to take over the world. Who knows? That's completely up to you guys. Just let me know in the comments below, and until next time, peace.